Good morning, everybody. My name is Amy Yoshimitsu with the Ladies of Justice League, and today we have Ms. Ann Devlin of New York Life. So you can kind of go ahead and let me know, or everybody know, what is New York Life and how they can help.
Hi, I am Ann Devlin, and I am a financial professional with New York Life. Phone number is 310-923-2807. I am out of the Los Angeles General Office, and what I do is protect families. I will protect yourself, your family, your children. The most important thing in your life is what I protect, and that is the people who you love. That can be through life insurance, it can be through disability insurance. What happens if your income stops? And I also do long term care. How do you take care of yourself when you are older and you need help? Also, annuities, retirement planning, all kinds of things that will help protect you. And we want you to have a good life and sleep well at night and not be afraid that something will happen to your family if something unexpected happens to you. You love your family and we want to protect them. My favorite thing is to do just that, to work with my clients and protect them. Thank you so much.
Yeah, do you have any age group that you recommend for your
No,
services?
no. We can help anyone from a baby all the way up to a retiree. One of my favorite things to do are policies for children because it puts them through college and it helps set them up for a great financial future. But a lot of people who are just starting out, who are young, can get life insurance very economically, and it will get them started to a great financial future as well. And then people who've just had a baby, just had a home, protecting your mortgage, and then going into long-term care and retirement. So it's all age groups.
Yeah, I have long-term care with New York Life as well, and I think it's a great service. So I wanted to introduce you to Ann of New York Life. And so do they call you? Go to your website? How do
Sure.
they make an appointment?
I do have a website. It's www.newyorklife.com/Ann Devlin. But the easiest way is to just call me, 310-923-2807.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Great having you and your information. And
Thank
if you want
you.
to see more, go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Obviously, like, share, and subscribe. All right, have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you.